This is Josh from Lucas Lighting. Say you've done some research on your car and maybe you have a headlight difficulty 3, 4, or 5. Maybe you're not comfortable putting those bulbs in by yourself. Maybe you have a couple more questions that you haven't had answered. You're the type of person that wants a local person to talk to. I'm that way a lot myself too. Well, we've got you covered at Lucas Lighting. We have a nationwide network of dealers and installers who are experts at what they do, and they would be glad to help you out. The other thing is, if you want to go from a 1 year warranty to a 3 year warranty, you would have to have that light installed at an authorized dealer. Let me show you how to find a dealer in your area using our dealer locator. The very first thing you want to do is head over to lucaslighting.com and look for the dealer locator button on the ribbon. If you're using a mobile device, this might be in a drop down menu, so you might not see it right off the bat, but just click the drop down menu and you should see dealer locator. Go ahead and click on that, and we'll get started. When you get to the dealer locator screen, if you have location services enabled, it will automatically update this map to your location. You can see that I'm located in Wisconsin. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see a list of dealers from the closest to the furthest away. If you click on any of these more details buttons, it will automatically open their webpage in a new window, and you'll be able to contact them with their contact information. The second way to find a dealer is to look up the zip code manually, and you can type in, let's try 98001 and see what we find. The map will update, and you can see that we're in Washington now. And again, you'll also get a list in this way as well. You can also manually mess with the map. You can pinch in and out and move around. You can see that we have dealers in Canada and distributors in Canada. We're all the way up in Alaska. We're all the way out here in Hawaii, and we have some locations in Mexico as well. So if you're the pinch and zoom kind of person, absolutely feel free to do it that way as well. And of course, if you have any questions or you want us to find a dealer for you, that's fine too. If you go to any of our web pages, just scroll to the very bottom, and our direct number is right here and in the following slide during the credits. Any additional questions? Call or text 408 623 1380, Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 CST. You may also email support@lucas-lighting.com. Thanks for watching.